English essay. My village. My village. I come from a small village called Sivapur. It is a beautiful village. My village has a population of about 3,000. Most of the people are farmers. There are carpenters, cobblers, potters, and tailors also. The houses are made of mud and bricks. The people of my village are simple and hardworking. They live together peacefully. My village has a well. There is a river too. There is a temple of Lord Shiva near the river. There is a big banyan tree near the temple. There is a small market and a cooperative bank in our village. The village has a Gram Panchayat. It runs a health center and a school. The school runs a small library. We read books and daily newspapers there. My village is clean. It has good roads, transport facilities, and electricity. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.